Arg! I'm Captain Femur, and you might know my brother, Dr. Tibia. Dr. Tibia does all the sciencey stuff. I am the ruler of the seven seas. Arg! Now today we are going to teach you how to become a pirate. And my assistant will help you with that. Her name is No Peg Leg Meg. Arg! Take it away.
Hi, I'm No Peg Leg Meg. I'm the first mate of the Floatin' Marrow. And today we're going to teach you how to be a pirate. Arg!
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 Arg! Now let's get started. First, a captain needs his hat. First mate, show us how it's done.
First, to make your hat, you're going to need the hat part and you're going to need the strap part. You put the hat part face down and you're going to be attaching the strap to the hat part with tape or a stapler. I'm going to use a stapler, so we line up the edges and we attach one end. Then we go to the other end and we line up those edges for this fine pirate hat. And we attach that end. And there, you see, pirate hat will make you a mighty fine pirate. Arg!
Good job, No Peg Leg Meg. Now we need a telescope to seek out all that fine treasure. Arg!
So you got your pirate hat, but now you need some treasure. And you need a telescope to find your treasure. So we'll teach you how to make your own telescope. First, get some paper. And we're going to roll up one side, nice and tight. But as we roll it up, you want to make one side a little wider than the other side. And then, any untidy parts, you can tuck under to make them tidy. And now we have a seam that needs to be taped down. So we tape the seam down. And you can also paint your telescope all kinds of colors. You can also paste on it all kinds of treasures. Now you have a mighty fine telescope to be looking for great treasure. Arg! So we mateys, come to Santa Catalina Library to pick up your pirate pack, where you'll find what I've taught you today. And in the pack, there's also a treasure map where you can find treasures, reading treasures at Santa Catalina Library. Arg!
Arg! And thank you, No Peg Leg Meg. And remember, with each pirate pack comes an eye patch. Arg!